Bish. Bish. Is that a no ball? Has to be a no ball. Where's the siren? He's wide again. He's real wide there. I mean, that's going to go for 4, I think. No, it's not. There's a man down here. I couldn't see him. He's below, but we need to have a look at that front foot. Back even.
The first point of contact is where it's judged from. Great start.
Effort from Zakaria. Yes, very good effort from Samson as well. From Zakaria. He saved
In the piece. They do cross it. It's only the second time Punjab Kings have chased this season. Second time. And it looks as though they're going to from the start. He wanted to chase.
Yeah, they also brought momentum into the bat, didn't they? They restricted Rajasthan right at the end. Ashdeep was absolutely spectacular. Took the momentum into the bat, and it looks like they're going to finish the job.